Okay, let's now proceed with problem number 3. So this is the scenario for problem number 3. We have the given angle A is equals to 48 degrees, angle B is equals to 38 degrees, and side C is equals to 15 meters. So first thing that we need to do is to find for angle C, because we need opposite pairs for us to use the law of sine. So first, solve for angle C by using the triangle sum theorem, wherein we need to add again all of the number or all of the angles, which is equals to 180 degrees. And as we can see, 48 plus 38 plus C is equals to 180 degrees. And then what we will do is to add the given angles, which is 48 and 38, which give us 86 degrees. Then plus C is equals to 180. And then afterwards, what you will do is to isolate C. For us to isolate C, what you will do is to subtract 86 from 180. Then that will give us 94 degrees. So therefore, the value of our angle C is equals to 94. As we can see, we have opposite pairs, which is the side C, which is 15 meters, and the angle C, which is 94 degrees. So we can use or we can apply law of sine. So from there, we need to determine the formula to be used. A all over sine A is equals to C all over sine C. So we use that formula to solve for the side A. And then, next step is to substitute. Substitute the given values. So therefore, A is all over sine 48 is equals to 15 all over sine 94. Then what you will do is to cross multiply. Then it becomes A is equals to 15 times sine 48 all over sine 94. Then after you cross multiply, what you will do is to press or evaluate first all the sine. So sine 48 will give us 0.7431, and then sine 94 will give us 0.9976. Then afterwards, you solve for A by multiplying 15 times 7431 all over 0.9976, which will give us to 11.17 meters. So therefore, the value of side A is equals to 11.17 meters. Now, as we can see, we did not solve. We're not yet done because we need to solve for the height of the plug pole. Now, if you will observe, there is a right triangle here, wherein we can use trigonometric ratios, right? So remember, the SO, Ka, TOA, wherein we need to decide what formula are we going to use. And as we can see, we have from our reference angle, which is 38 degrees, we have H, or we are looking for H, which is our opposite side, and then 11.17 meters is our hypotenuse. So therefore, we use the sine formula, or SO, which is sine theta is equals to opposite side all over hypotenuse. Then from there, what you will do is to substitute the given, which is sine 38 degrees is equals to H, that pertains to the height of the pole, all over hypotenuse. And then from there, what you will do is to isolate H, because we need to look for H. So therefore, it becomes 11.17 times sine 38. But before that, you need to press on your calculator sine 38 to give us 0.6157. And then from there, what you will do is to multiply 11.17 and 0.6157, which give us 6.88 meters. So therefore, the height of the plug pole is 6.88 meters.